the Caribbean community and friends of the West Indian family warmly received and greeted Councilmember Matthew Eugene on Labor Day, Monday, September 5, 2011 all along Eastern Parkway, during the West Indian 2011 Carnival. Flags of all the Caribbean nations were proudly on display. The aroma of Caribbean food filled the air. Jamaican jerk chicken, Haitian griot, Trinidadian curry goat, and other delicious Caribbean dishes could be found along the parkway, where gourmets of West Indian food came as far as overseas to satisfy their palate and enjoy the colorful and lively West Indian annual festivity. Millions of people attended the West Indian Carnival to celebrate diversity and the Caribbean heritage. Councilmember Matthew Eugene said, "This is the beauty of the West Indian Carnival, regardless of one's native country, the Caribbean community and friends of the West Indian culture unite as a big family to have fun." Earlier, Councilmember Matthew Eugene, along with other elected officials, dignitaries, and community leaders attended a breakfast before the kick-off of the West Indian Carnival. To name a few, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg, New York City Comptroller John Liu, New York City Council Speaker Christine Quinn. There was also a luncheon later on attended by the Caribbean family and friends.
Because I asked John and he said, well, say anything you want. And that's like taking a big chance when you're in politics, you know. The office he holds as leader of the Democrats in the Senate, it was thrust upon him that he has got. Dr. Stanislav, it's always great to hear you. And can you imagine the doctor and my father together, those two? A lot of good years, a lot of lessons learned. Doctor, it's a pleasure to be with you.
And now, it is my absolute
for city's diversity and its wonderful cultural heritage. And at City Hall, we're trying to capitalize
former gubernatorial candidate for the Rent is Too Damn High political party, Jimmy McMillan, gives Councilmember Matthew Eugene his stamp of approval.
Wow. Did you hear it? Got it. We got it. Man. Good to see you. Thank you. You guys doing a wonderful job, man. The Rent is too damn. Working, you gotta make it work now.